Hi guys, we're happy to finally present our work from the past several months. Easy Mode is a new app for Assetto Corsa, built as a next-step evolution of our well-known Exhaust Builder app. Unlike Exhaust Builder, this app is fully generic. That means adding new categories with new functionality will be a regular part of future updates. All future apps will be created using this system. The current first version already includes all blocks from Exhaust Builder, plus additional basic engine info values such as RPM, throttle position, turbo boost, clutch, and more. We also added variable types, a base value, and an expression value, which allows you to perform operations and logic directly with values. Let's build a classic exhaust system, just like we used to do in Exhaust Builder. You can notice a new feature here. Every port now shows its name, base type, and what can be connected to it. You'll also see that when we create connections, the ports that are compatible automatically turn green. Now let's try the basic functionality of the mod by adding a valve to the exhaust system. On the first branch of the valve, we connect a muffler. On the second branch, we connect a pipe. The third port is reserved for switch logic. We connect a value to it and define either 0 or 1, where 0 or less activates the first branch, and 1 or more activates the second branch. Now, we'll remove the value node and try something more complex. Expression value allows us to control the bypass switching using different engine values. In this case, we'll start with RPM. A new feature here is that all values are displayed in the nodes in real time. We start by connecting the RPM node to the expression value and defining it as A. That means whatever value is connected to the A port will now define our expression value. Now we decide that the valve should switch at 5,000 RPM, so we define the expression value using the formula A is greater than 5,000. Below 5,000 RPM, the expression value is 0, which means the first bypass is active. Once the RPM goes above 5,000, the expression value becomes 1, and the second bypass is activated. We can see that our condition is working, so let's add another value node. We connect the turbo boost to the B port of the expression value. Next, we update the formula, so the exhaust valve switches to the second bypass, also when the boost goes above 0.8 bar. Okay, let's make this a bit more complex. We'll change the engine type from inline to V-type, then select the entire bypass by holding the Shift key, right-click to copy, and paste it. This allows us to define different conditions for the right side of the exhaust. You can also see that when selecting nodes while holding Shift, we can move multiple blocks at once into the assembly area. This new Easy Mode app will be updated frequently with new categories, features, and possibilities. It's not just about exhaust tuning anymore. Our goal is to bring everything related to modding in Assetto Corsa into a single app. The app works with all cars, and all settings are automatically saved separately for each car. For more information and updates, check out our Patreon. Thanks for watching.